Okay, homework and remembering, Unit 1, Lesson 5. Let's get started with some of these. Now we are into mixed numbers. So doing a little bit more with these fractions as we go farther into Unit 1. So let's start off with number 4. I think you'll do good on numbers 1 through 3. They're just pictures and putting those into mixed numbers. But number 4. Write the mixed number as a fraction, so 2 1/3. So you have 2 wholes, that's 1 whole, 2 wholes, and to the best I can draw with this little pen, that's 2 and then 1/3. Put them together, you get 2 1/3 as your mixed number. Now, how do we change this into a fraction? Well, we're going to change it into an improper fraction, and we're going to start by doing this. You always take the denominator, the number on bottom, the 3, times it by the whole number 2. So multiply 3 times 2, which is 6. I like to write it up there because then you take the product of the denominator, which is 3, and the whole number 2. You take the product of 3 times 2 and you add the numerator. So the product of 3 times 2 was 6, and then we add the numerator. And that becomes our numerator and our improper fraction. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7, and you keep your pieces thirds. And this makes sense. If we look back at our wholes, we have a third here. This one's cut up into thirds, so let's cut up the rest of these wholes into thirds. So you have 3/3 there, 3/3 there. So this is 3/3 from this drawing, 3/3 from this drawing here, plus 3/3 from the second hole, plus 1/3 here. If you add that up, that's 7/3. So these match. Use the drawing, use the computation, the mathematical way. Either way, it is perfectly going to give you the right answer, and it's correct. So this is homework and remembering number 4. Now number 8. It's asking you to take the improper fraction of 7/6 and turn that into a mixed number. So the way you do that is by division. You have 7/6. Alright, so you have 1/6 7 times. So you have 7 unit fractions of 1/6. These are equal. Okay, because 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7, and you keep the denominator as 6. Okay? So to get this back to a mixed number, you're going to want to do division. When you divide, the top number, the numerator, goes in the house with a bracket, and the bottom number, the denominator, goes on the front lawn. If you consider this bracket the house, the denominator goes on the front lawn. So now we have a simple division problem. 6 can go into 7 just once, and 1 times 6, 6. Now we can subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now, if we wanted to write this as a decimal, yeah, we could do that. We could add a decimal here. But we don't have to do that. All we have to do now is this remainder of 1 becomes the numerator, and our divisor, 6, is our denominator. So the answer to number 8 is 1 1/6. Hopefully this helps. Email me if you have any questions on this. Have a good night.